Hello friends, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In previous video, we have already completed question number 5 of exercise 8.3 trigonometry. In this video, we're going to start with question number 6 of exercise 8.3. Okay, so what is the question? If A, B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Okay, A, B, C are the interior angles of the triangle ABC. There are three interior angles of a triangle. So of triangle ABC, what are the interior angles? Angle A, angle B and angle C are the interior angles of the triangle ABC. Then show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. We have to prove this. Okay, so first left hand side. What is the left hand side? Sine B plus C by 2, right? So now what are the sum of the all interior angles of a triangle? It is 180 degree, right? Means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is what? It is 180 degree, right? So over here it is written B plus C by 2, means this angle and this angle, right? B plus C by 2. So we can write, instead of B and B plus C, we can write 180 minus A. Why? Because the sum of all the three angles of a triangle are 180 degree. So B plus C by 2. So instead of B plus C, we can write 180 minus A, right? Because A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Okay, so instead of B plus C over here, we are going to write 180 minus A. Okay, now 180 degree minus A. Now sine, we can write 180 degree minus A by 2 as 180 degree by 2 minus A by 2. Minus A by 2. Okay. Now 2 9 18 0. So sine 90 degree, right? Sine 90 degree minus A by 2. Sine 90 degree minus A by 2. So what have we learned earlier? Cos A is what? Sine 90 minus A, right? Cos A is sine 90 minus A. So sine 90 minus A by 2. What we have to prove? Cos A by 2. We already got the answer. We can write sine 90 minus A by 2 as cos A by 2, right? Because cos, we have learned earlier that cos A is equal to sine 90 minus A. So instead of sine 90 degree minus A by 2, we are going to write cos A by 2. Okay, we have already proved it. Cos A by 2, cos A by 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. With this, we have completed question number 6. Now let's move to question number 7. What is the question number 7? Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay. So what is given? Sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. We have to express it in terms of trigonometric ratios in angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. This is more than 45 degree, right? 67 degree and 75 degree. We have to express this between 0 degree and 45 degree. Okay. So what is given? Sine 67 plus cos 75. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we have already learned earlier that sine A is equal to cos 90 minus A, right? Sine A is equal to cos 90 minus A. So over here, instead of sine 67 degree, we can write cos 90 minus 67, right? So we are going to write cos 90 minus 67 degree plus. Okay, then cos 75. We have also learned that cos A is also equal to sin 90 minus A, as sin A is equal to cos 90 minus A. Cos A is also equal to sin 90 minus A, right? So instead of cos 75, we can write sin 90 minus 75. Sin 90 minus 75 degree. Okay. Now, cos, what is 90 minus 67? 3. Then 8 minus 6 is 2. Cos 23 degree plus sin, what is 90 minus 75? 5. 8 minus 7 is 1, 15. So, see, we have already found out between 0 degree and 45 degree. 23 is also between 0 and 45, and 15 is also between 0 and 45. So, we have found out the answer. What is the answer? Cos 23 degree plus sin 15 degree. Okay, this is the answer of question number 7 of exercise 8.3. So with this we have completed exercise 8.3. In the next video I am going to be back with exercise 8.4 of trigonometry. And if you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me please click on subscribe button. Thank you.